Yes, I hear when he get it. Yeah.
Yes, Blaine. Blaine, slap him. Blaine, slap him.
You want that?
Alright. Oh Lord, I would sleep on the water top. What's up guys, welcome back to another adventure of Mickey and Stretch Fun Times. I don't know guys, we're up on a river pre this morning, but on our way to river we're gonna see if we see any birds.
Yeah, man.
We have some slingy. Everybody have them slingy. Miss Stretch and Blaine, we have a slingy guys.
Yeah.
Stretch have a hangover because we got party last night and he drink too much.
Yeah, man,
so don't know that go.
You know, say nothing.
So we are gonna wash out you guys. And I
Yeah.
don't know. Stay active.
No look safe at all. Take your time, my darling. God, don't look safe.
Yeah, you went up on your back, you know.
And that me I say too. I say hang over there for me. Wicked. People don't know wash.
Guys, scary cat across the river. Woo! This is cool. Yes, man. It's supposed to start wake you up already. Woo! Ah. So guys, we subscriber want bird for eating also. We are going to see what we can get for him. We don't see bird then where we want still, you know, guys. But we see woodpecker and tomfool and anything there.
Loggerhead.
Loggerhead.
You can walk.
Dead. Yes, man. You hear when he get it? Somewhere in the same job.
I don't have to job.
Maybe up further.
Up on top.
Same day. He drop further down to blow out. Look for me, Blaine. You see that juki tree there? Look at root. Not that, the next one.
You said so?
Look over. You see him?
You see.
I want spandolin.
No, that's a banana bird.
So then look, you see him way.
Spandolin look way different.
Oh gosh.
Pretty, not sure?
What? I mean, I feel like we don't want to show no more bird, you know, it's too pretty, man.
But we have to eat, you know?
Ah,
Guys, the
boy.
picking slim on the riverside.
Yeah.
I know this evening go taste funny.
But guys, we subscriber want bird for eat. So, you know, You come far, you have to get it before you go. I don't know you go guys all the way from New York, so you know say you want to taste something before you go guys.
Yeah.
We not see no bird guys.
No, I see nothing.
Just them that we see so far.
Pretty though. Pretty man, pretty bro.
So one of them I like one squid and the next one a banana bird.
I guess this is the banana bread for the yellow, obviously.
Yeah.
Anti-80.
Alright guys, make we move on, yeah? Yes, I hear when you get it. Here when you get that one there guys. Woody the woodpecker. Adatagwan pa watagwan. Adatagwan pa watagwan.
Another one on the board, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See me, sir. Alright.
Oh.
Look back up there, so see me. See my jump. In the jump. In tap, jump. In the behind the limb, them do.
See me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That look like a one.
Bumpy, me see the chipman chip showing chest to me over here, so.
You see him good?
Yeah. Wait, no leg where I shot there yet, Blaine. Hold it, hold it.
Move.
Where move go?
Move.
Alright, grow on the next side now, Blaine. I want to go for the chipman chip still. Yes, Blaine. Blaine, slap him. Blaine, slap him. Blaine, slap him to blow. He want come down. He want come down. See him there. Yes, Blaine. Come back. Guys, now see some teachings pay off. Load again, you know, Blaine. Load. You have to load again. So you don't know if you go. When? There's somewhere in the bush, so you know. You see him? We don't know what part up there in the door. See one in front of you, right in front of you, Blaine. Blow. Where next one? No, he no fly out.
You see him?
No, you have to large up someone.
In large up, man.
Oh, in dead then.
I'm good at that, we don't know. How in there? You see when I slap him, man, he come down, man.
You sure saying that? You see him?
We can't see him.
You see one next bird fly out.
One sing for that, yeah.
Yeah,
Sing
me see
for the large
when
up.
he get the lip man. Me see my all buffalo come down.
See me?
See, you find him? Alright.
Look where in there.
He dead. Yes. Another one to the board. Blaine.
You mean, man?
Blaine. Yeah, Blaine. Guys, you know, see some teachings for ya.
Georgia.
Who's-
Him up, boy.
Who's the real teacher, Blaine? Talk to me.
You're the boss.
But you know, yeah, always tell me I do my best, guys.
People, you know what I'm going.
You know,
What we say?
team stretch, of course. Yeah, man. Take him up here now, yeah, man. Where we go? Yeah, man, we have
When
bird.
I'm
We
interested,
have...
feel like something for you, you look here.
Yeah, man, when you're interested,
Yeah,
man.
I'm interested. Can I see man, I want to listen.
Yeah, I tell you.
Check me, I say, you know, I want to listen.
Yes, my people. So this I catch, you know, don't know anything set up. Yeah, that is it. I'll deal with them guys and thing. But before we do so, don't know we are going to have a little fun time in the river, you know? Yeah.
This just feels relaxing. Oh Lord, I would sleep on the water top.
That murder was fishy.
Remember, so I can't float in, so I can't.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, jump in.
It's nice, man.
Alright.
It's nice.
Jump in. Oh,
Hey, watch
yeah. Yeah, brilliant.
Woo! So you're not going to jump into
Yeah.
Yeah, people, these are fun times with Mickey. Watch out. Fun times with Mickey and Stretch.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
share and subscribe.
Yes,
It's
guys.
I tell you, come hang out with them, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
Lord. It's so good.
Yo. It was so cool.
I'm telling you, it's cold.
Oh, gosh. Instant sober.
Come, dip your whole self.
So I'm going to dip my whole self.
No, your head, no dip yet. Wet up your face.
We do me exercise.
Wet up your whole to your neck. Stretch, look how tall you be. Go out there so.
Guys.
You're too scared, the cat. Go out there so you're tall enough, Stretch. You're tall enough, can't go out there so. You're too Freddy. See one bamboo, they float panny like boat.
You doing it, Blake?
You know, sink.
No measure the water. Okay. Good luck. Good luck.
Remember, say none of we can save none of we out there today.
Hey.
Whoa, yeah.
Hey.
What you mean? Yes, it can sink. If I did the green one, maybe you'd have sink, but the dry one.
GoPro, you know, we just put it in the water.
I don't remember GoPro in the water where I come.
I remember it, but I say, boy, you know, just it feel too bad.
Stretch, go on little bit. There's some more in turn up. Just go deep, look now. Go and go deep, man. You're too Freddy.
What about Freddy, Mickey?
Go and go deep, watch ya.
In your ear. Kalanga dip.
Guys, I don't know it's so Freddy.
Come by the side of the bamboo.
Kalanga dip stretch. Kalanga dip.
No, man, but we can swim a little bit.
No, we don't know a little bit. We need to swim a lot. A little bit.
Hey!
We know a little bit swimming.
We want who make the rum.
Who got the rum?
Yes.
That rum.
Guys, your name is last.
Said it's sober and this year we get sober. Just dip your body.
Sober.
You're not sober enough.
Yeah, let's wait for water, man.
Instant.
Fred.
Instant sober.
How about this man? Stretch, look how tall you be. Just good dog like more in the water.
Shot me there.
Hey.
Catch me?
Me.
Yes.
I should be
Not even when you waste. I waste that stretch. Tell me if I waste that.
I should be the only coward one out here. I'm 5'1".
Eh? No, but Mickey, you how much? You know about 5?
I'm 5'1".
Who are
I'm
5'6"?
the shortest out
No, me a
here.
5'3".
You're
I'm the
3.
shortest out here.
No. Oh, yeah. Because Mickey just 1 inch taller.
Yeah.
You know, come. Come make.
Yeah.
Shallow, man.
Stretch, look where Blaine shorter than you and look one Blaine.
Another people tell us we don't like the water there, brother.
Shut you too, Freddy. Yo.
She's afraid of the water.
Guys,
I know he never catch water good. No, sir.
Why Stretch is afraid of the water?
Hey, in Fred, I was in there, so in turn, in Freddy.
What in there? What is in there?
Anything.
Only rocks.
Only rocks. The river you run stretch, you know, stay still.
Yes, some people, so we catch up the fire now, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know. I see bird them here too, guys. We are trying to see if we can pick them off now. Pick them off, wanna roll away. Yeah, guys, this is not like a regular one, we regular hunt them, you know. Yeah, man, we just come from the riverside.
We come, guys, and we just go.
With Father, yeah, with Father Blaine and everything, go. Yeah. Yeah, go and pick.
Skin, yeah, skinning.
it's a one bite and it done. That's all.
One
Yeah.
bite.
You hitch up in your teeth.
Yeah, same so.
Come, Blaine, skin them. So me do it for you there. Just finish, take off the skin.
Yeah, my people, so. More, couple more bramble, you know. Yeah, this is a good one. See it here now, my people. I'll finish up now. Only if you drop on the CC jerk seasoning blending, I don't know anything set up. Yeah, man. Fire well ready for it too. That's a blend ready for it. Yeah, man. So,
Season with me. One hand because I'm cutting the hand people, you know.
yeah.
Great adventures with these guys.
Yeah.
I stretch cars it was still, but you know.
Me, Blaine, how comes I me fi cast it, Blaine? Me sure know me under hangover. Me sure know.
These are the
Gizzard, yeah. And liver.
You just have to do everything by the fire.
Yeah, man,
people.
just.
You know, I go already.
When I plan for this, you know, we just come out and say, you know what, we carry slingshot.
Yeah.
Anything we see, we roasty.
I go just, as you say, I go season with one hand because you know the thing. You already?
Yeah, man.
Accidents happen.
Yeah, man. Something like that. You know?
I really need too much seasoning because it's only the
Yeah.
bird, you know?
Yeah, man. Just like that.
Put some on thy arm, you know?
Yeah. Just like that.
Yeah, put some on thy arm, man.
Yeah, man. So, guys, we are going to rub them up. And, you know, do the right thing.
Wanna see what go on, guys? Survival man this too, you know. He live America, but he still have a Jamaican in him a lot. Nah, left him. In a yo. Guys, he say when him a boy, then something I used to love doing, you know. Hunt bird, go a river, go catch crayfish, all kind of something, guys. That is it. One and only CC Jerk Blend Boss. Yeah. That. Yes, that is it.
Jerk chicken is people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
One jerk chicken, Bronx, New York. That's where you find it.
Yeah. Wanna hear where we find him, guys? Bronx, New York. Jerk boss. Both jerk pork, jerk chicken. Anything we have to do with jerk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Lobster, jerk shrimp.
Yeah. All of that. Guys, remember follow him on TikTok at Carl's Kitchen 23. Same thing for Instagram, guys. Carl's Kitchen 23.
And if you're in the Bronx, you can get the seasoning direct here.
Alright. Yeah, man.
You see what? What kind of stuff?
Yes, it's snapper in the river.
We up. Pretty.
Look like they're ready.
Yeah.
Ooh, see one of them come off there. Like you want to fly off of the fire.
Wow. I put little sauce on him now.
Alright. Guys, I tell you, Blaine make a sauce there. I know me I talk about it. I know me I talk about it. That too nice, man.
Pineapple sauce, you know?
Pineapple sauce. It really good, man. It tastes really good.
And thing about it, you get, you know, you have the natural herbs over here. So it's 1000% better. 1000%.
Alright.
That's why in my season you see me have to come. You see how far me have to come?
All the way to Jamaica.
You see it? I don't eat that thing, people.
Yeah. All the way at JA have to come, guys, to getting ingredients them. Yeah, man. Thing good.
And listen, I mean, you guys out there, if you ever get the chance to come out and hang out with Mickey and Stretch, it's like, it's 1 in a million. 1 in a million. You know
That is it.
So take the chance if you can get it.
One fun time, family.
Yeah, man.
Guys, this is pineapple sauce, you know. Yeah, man. Go just put them in there, rub them up, and then put them back on the fire. Oh. Woo.
So one drop down in there. Can't lose that.
Smell them, man. Smell really good, you know.
Yeah, can you set back that fire differently still?
Yeah. You have to make sure they rub up properly, you know, guys. Watch over this, so.
Oh, go on. Big famous Stretch couldn't even stretch over Iraq. Eh? He couldn't stretch over Iraq. Yeah. Alright, back to the cooking. I fall for you, man, like that.
Alright, so guys, my hand clean, you know, guys. You know, so in the kitchen, you have to make sure say everything good in here. Everything clean. In an outdoor kitchen. Woo! Blaine.
Well, me help you push them.
I not do too well with fire, you know. I always get burned, but let me try what I want to say. Alright. So, we're already on tea.
Wow, look at that. As them say.
Lovely.
We're trying to kitchen of people.
That is it. That is it.
Watch the big chef over there. Chef, what going? Eh? You're not supposed to in the kitchen.
Nothing I'm going with him over there, so man. Don't stay right there. Alright. Real pineapple sauce, you know, guys.
Right,
Yeah, man. Guys, then finish now, you know. You see that? See the color the guys we have?
So we are going to do this one.
Yeah, man. So guys, we are going to just share up, you know, and
Yeah, man.
have a feast.
Plain. You have to clear one, you know.
Are this something there for blame the woodpecker seat there in the middle? Come blame, take up your Woody the woodpecker.
Take a what? Take a what? Where some of us take up?
Woody the woodpecker. I taste the sauce and thing.
It is good, man.
Can't dip in the sauce. Make some more sauce in there, you know.
Eh,
Can't
more
dip in
sauce
there,
did
you
they?
know.
Come make your dip.
And I dip in the sauce in there. You know, the sun have killed me.
Alright, Blaine. Ready?
A good no fears, man. I'm telling you no lie. I no fears, man. No fears.
No fears.
I
Ah,
am this
boy.
down.
Yeah, man, that I would
Good
pick.
pepper.
Sweet pepper. That you say?
Pineapple sauce tastes good for you.
But you know,
Bad man.
but no.
That half bad. I'm not taste it yet, guys, but me I tell you that half bad.
Come on, touch it.
Taste it?
You shouldn't get no reels today, you know, because I want to eat them things all the time. You know, see it? What you mean? I feel, watch him out. No one should eat off all of this.
You understand? Me now take that one this let me take a taste with the woodpecker.
Sweet pepper.
He hot blade, he hot. He hot, me can't take the heat you know in my finger. Alright.
Sharing with friends, you know?
Yes.
Guys,
Share.
right on the fire side, me there.
Sharing is caring.
Straight pan fight me like this.
You do good, man.
So you do good.
Smoked up ali. And the sauce.
Take a little bit, yeah. So you can get a piece of the pineapple.
Right. Right, just some of the
You know what, I'm on camera. You're going to have to go on my mouth and everything.
I best time.
But seriously, people, if you get the chance to come hang out with these guys, please do.
Yeah, man. I realize.
Reach out to them, man. You know what I mean? Email, text, do what you want. Reach out to them. Come spend a week with them, you know what I mean? Mad.
Trying to
Real
plan
adventure,
something nice.
Real adventure, may I tell you.
Yeah, man, for real. Nice hunting adventure. What's Mickey? I heard that gizzard. Guys, one piece of the pineapple. Because you don't know them a miss.
Bread is so good. Yeah. Sauce enough.
Everything done. We almost melt down for him.
But I can't rush you know. Can't rush you. Probably about 40, more than 40 years when I get this.
Trouble.
Save for the month,
Right.
every time.
Just imagine all the dollars on double get.
Problem.
There's some meat with that there.
Watch. Just sit down with the sauce.
Really foodie.
Yeah, miss out.
Me not miss out, can just get some ice sauce.
Stretch. Me really have to take a seat.
Yes, that's my paper. So we are finished up here, so. Seems like we want to rain.
Some people want to give a special shout out to Nick. You guys here, we always a shout out Nick.
Yeah, man.
Nick, big up yourself. I hope you have a speedy recovery. Guys, I want you guys to pray for Nick. He is like a father to us. I want you guys to pray for him and just wish him a speedy recovery. You understand?
No, don't know, we are praying for him too, you know, guys. But
Yes, guys.
more
we
prayers
always
out.
pray for him.
you better. Yeah, man. Enriquez, bless up yourself, same way, you know. Lieben,
Yeah.
bless up yourself. Diego, blessings.
big up yourself,
Conroy,
same way.
blessings, same way to Conroy. Yeah,
And
man.
Roxanne, father, everybody, want to big up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Hernandez
Nick-
and Fernandez,
Yeah.
yeah. Hernandez and Fernandez.
Big up on
See him there, you know. He might get beaten, send him home with that fishing. Boy, I lie. You know we see? You know we see? Yeah, he clap something today, guys. Hey, as me say, you know, guys, you know, if you big up the teacher, you know, because if it wasn't for more. Yeah.
We're going to give him some credit. Give him some
Yeah.
credit.
If you-
He can guide me and things.
Yeah.
Boss lady over there so scared.
No.
Boss lady.
No.
So guys, if you guys are still watching, that means you've made it to the end of the video. Just continue to like, comment and share. Spread the words. Make you stretch fun time. One fun time family. Yeah, man.
Same some people.
Until then, enough love. Walk good.